Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and today I'm going to show you my favorite Hot Wheels. It's a color shifter. Wow, it's so cool. It's green color. Wow. For this color shifter, we need hot water and cold water. If we put it in hot water, it will be in this color only. If we put it in cold water, it will be black. Wow. Now I'm going to bring cold water and hot water. Come, let's go together. Now I'm going to take ice cubes. Let's open the freezer. Wow, it's so icy. Now we are going to put these ice cubes in the bowl. Here's the bowl. Alright, now the ice is in the bowl. Whew, it's freezing. Now we have to put water inside. Alright, let's put it in. Why? Alright. Wow, the ice is floating. Wow, can you see the ice? Now we are going to take hot water. Let's go. Alright, now let's fill it with water. Yep, that's enough. Whoa. And there. Let's open. Now let's take another bowl. Small one. And let's fill it with hot water. Alright, now let's put it in hot water. It'll be the same color. Now, whoa. Now, but if you put it in cold water, the color is changing. It's in black color. Now let's take it out. Whoa, the car is so black. Oh. Wow. Alright, now let's put it in hot water. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow. Immediately it changed. Wow. Now let's take it. Whoa, it's so cool. Let's make some designs. First, I'll put it here. Whoa, how does that look? Green and black. Whoa. Right, now I'm going to do another design. Whee. It's dripping. Alright. Now I'm going to do another design. Right? This. And in the other side, like this. Alright. Oh no. It's a little bit of black here. It's okay. Some hot water. There. There, how does it look? Here black, and green. Wow. Alright. Wow. Alright. What else? This one. Let's put it across. Wow. Alright. Whoa. It's cross. Right. Put it in hot water. Whoa, oh my. The ice is gone. Oh, here's one. This one nice. Baby ice. Oh, and now see this. First, we put it here. Now this is the coloring car. we'll color the car. Now see this. Where's the ice? Wait. Here it is. Here's the ice. Now see this. Whoa. Can you see this? Did you see that? Wow. Where's the ice again? Hello? There you go. Now see this. I'm coloring here. Wow, look at this. I'm coloring here. Wow, that's so cool. And the spoilers. It's not coming. Is there any ice? It's freezing. I have to put my hand in hot water. Much better. Much better. Alright. Now it's your turn, Kari. There you go. Ooh. Alright, now see this. Wow. Oh. Alright, let's take it and put it in hot water. This is the hot design. Wow, it's sort of changing. No, the hot water is turning into a little bit cold. No. But the cold water, it's cold. Wow. Alright, put it in the hot water. First the hot water is warm. Now it's a little cold. Oh no. Bye guys. See you guys in the next video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.